trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. A rear main seal leak, as you know, can be catastrophic to your vehicle. Look, if you're losing oil in that location, man, you have to act fast to fix that big leak before you cause major damage to your engine. BlueDevil Rear Main Sealer is specially formulated to permanently stop rear main seal leaks. How does it do this? Well, it restores dried and cracked or shrunken rubber seals and gaskets. BlueDevil is a great repair for the timing cover leaks, and it's safe to use in both gas and diesel engines. It's also compatible with both synthetic and conventional oils. The hard part repair is always going to be your best option, but think about that job. It's a big job, right? So when your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment or time, you really should reach for BlueDevil Rear Main Sealer as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.